The last few days of 2025 will decide your 2026. In these 4 weeks, you can achieve what most people take a whole year to do. But for that, you must become someone you have never been before. If you are struggling to start, to stay consistent, to focus, this video will give you the exact steps and the framework to rebuild your discipline, sharpen your mind, and walk into 2026 as a completely different beast. Step 1. The mindset. There is no growth without discomfort. Let this sink deep into your mind. If you want to become a topper, you must study. But studying feels uncomfortable, right? Sitting for hours, pushing your brain, giving effort, it feels uneasy. And that's exactly why most people fail. But my friend, the discomfort is the birthplace of toppers. If you want to win, you must choose effort over comfort. Become the person who doesn't run from difficulty. That person who understands that discomfort brings growth. You must break yourself to build yourself. And for the rest of 2025, you must carry this mindset with you every single second. Step 2. Follow essentialism. You get the same 24 hours every day. But this step will make you feel like you have more than 24. Everyone has limited time and limited energy. So why waste it on scrolling and distractions? Cut down on essential from your daily life and invest your time only on what truly matters. When you focus on the right things, you automatically move closer to your goals. The moment you remove distraction from your routine, you create bonus hours for your dreams. Even every small, non-essential action you ignore gives you extra time to build your future. Step 3. Action Trigger System. The biggest enemy of students is procrastination, and it is directly connected to your mood. Procrastination makes you say, I'm not feeling like studying. I will do it after food. I will start tomorrow. That means you are letting your mood to control your future. But the winner doesn't listen to his mood. He follows his system. He plans his next day and sleeps. He wakes up and follows the plan no matter how he feels. And when starting feels difficult, he doesn't think. He shuts his mind, starts the 5-second countdown and moves. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action. No thoughts, no emotions, only work. Step 4. Dopamine control. This is my favorite step because most people are trapped here without even knowing it. You watch one reel, it feels good. Then you scroll for the next one and the next one, and suddenly you realize 3 hours are gone. This is the dopamine trap. Every reel releases dopamine, and once your brain tastes that feeling, it keeps demanding more. That's how you waste your maximum energy and most valuable time. That's why in step 2, I told you to follow essentialism. To break this trap, you must bring awareness into your lifestyle. Deep inside, you already know what is right and what is wrong. Just start seeing what you're doing. The moment awareness comes, control begins. Step 5. Deadlines plus habit tracking. Work expands to the time you give it. This is called Parkinson's law. Just think about this. You have an exam today and only half a day to study. On the other side, you get 1 full week for the same exam. Your brain adjusts itself to finish in both situations. That's the power of deadlines. So keep strict deadlines for your study and daily work. Give less time and force yourself to finish the work today. Then at the end of the day, track your progress. Write what you worked on, how much time you used, and how much you wasted. This gives you clear proof of what you're doing with your life. And once you see your actions on the paper, change becomes automatic. But aren't you the same person who promised on December 31st last year at exactly 11:58 pm that 2025 will be your comeback year? Yes, you are. And now look, 365 days are gone and you are still standing at the same place. But we have no time to regret. Start from today. December is your training ground for 2026. You might be thinking, I'll start from January 1st. But the truth is, change doesn't start easily and consistency breaks easily. That's why you must start today. In these remaining days, you will fall, you will rise, and you will start again. And by the end of this month, you won't be the same weak version of yourself. You will be stronger, more consistent, because habits take time to build. Prepare in December and make 2026 your real comeback year. If you're starting from today, comment I am in right now, and if you are serious about your comeback, subscribe because this December we work, no excuses this time.